how to download and install Google Meet on PC or laptop. So if you want to download and install or create a desktop shortcut for your direct access on your Google Meet, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. First, open up your browser. Now you just need to simply go and search for Google Meet or search for Google Meet extension. Now here you will have the Google Meet extension in your Chrome web store. You can simply go with add to Chrome. But there's also another way. You can simply go with the upper right, which has that Google Maps, and then you need to go with the Google Meet and log into your account. Once you've logged in, go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you can go with save, cast, and share, and go with create shortcut or install the Google Meet. So I'll just create a shortcut and just go with create. And now you can go back and you can see that it has been created right here. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.